Okay, yeah. So the first thing you need to do is sign up. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in with. But the first thing you need to do is sign up, put your corresponding email, and let me just type in the password.
They did not show me the password.
Of course, da. And this is the home page. I already have 3 things here.
Anna, we log in with the teacher or student?
Yes, did. Yes, you have to log in as a teacher, da. You have to remember
Okay, now that is my doubt.
as a student, or you won't have the access to this create quiz. So the first thing you need to do is click on create, and the only quiz type thing is time to climb. So you need to click on activity. You can see here activity. I'll just click on it. You have 3 options: matching pairs, time to climb, draw it. We're not going to draw it because it might be hard using computer. Only mobile users can have an advantage. Matching pairs requires images. So time to climb is like the most basic one and is very straightforward. So what I will do first here is click on time to climb, and it's gonna load, and this is how it looks. And remember, the only disadvantage of time to climb is that there are only MCQs. You cannot create polls, but you can limit the answers from 2 answers to 4 answers. Type the corresponding questions, click on save. Okay, since it asked me, I will just type something. So I will just save it. But please select the correct
This is the correct one. Yes.
Then you just click on save. And it will be saved in a folder. This lesson. Just type the name of the topic and save it. This is my name. And it will be automatically saved. Just click on save changes, and that's it. You will never lose it. You will only lose it if you make changes and you don't save it. It will come back to where you previously saved it. So then you can do live participation, copy the link, put it in meeting chat, and enjoy. So yeah, for live participation, just click on live participation, and it will come here. Give it a second. Okay.
So Naman, your voice is great.
And that's all for the Nearpod quiz.
Yes. So
Okay,
anyone has
Thank
any
you,
doubts?
Anna. Thank you.
No problem. You want to, and if you want to end it permanently, then you have to just click on end session.
How did you see that
Students, you can.
question and answers, Naman?
I want to ask one question. You have been posed only one question, or we need to put multiple questions. How we will do?
There will be an option. Let me click on it. Just wait for 2 seconds.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Let it appear. Time to climb. Okay. So you can just, here it will be add question. Add one more question. You can add images for reference.
Okay.
You can select the time limit.
Okay.
Yes. And You can also click answer type. You can put it in text or in images. You can ask how looks like, or click the corresponding image, the word, something like that. You can create. Add answer is here. You can only make up only 4 answers, and you can have minimum 2. I will just exit and save. No need to save it. So that's all. Any other doubts apart from Harj?
So after launching that thing, we were showing the questions and answer, no?
Yes.
Options.
So how do you see that? You click on preview. So what will happen is it will show you the question paper and the answers, but you can't click on the answers because the preview.
Okay.
So yeah, it will click the correct answer.
Open in a separate tab.
It's only for viewing.
Yeah.
Keep 2 tabs open with Nearpod, 1 for the live participation and 1 for preview. Alright, I will stop sharing screen now.
Awesome.